Hi guys. Today we're gonna be making a dog, and you can download these at familyfunsters.com.
Why don't you show everybody the dog?
Papa.
Lexi.
It's green on this side.
What are you gonna do first? We're gonna color the dog. So Lexi, you guys color him.
Okay. Sophia's already coloring him.
That's good. Lexi, Sophia. What color are you coloring him?
Papa.
Good job. Keep coloring him.
Don't stop. Only if you're picking another color. Oh my goodness. Daddy, look at Sophia. Oh. I put it.
What's wrong with you?
Why are you laughing? So cute.
Color your doggy. You gonna pick a different color, Sophia, or are you gonna make them purple?
I need purple.
That's fine.
Wait, Daddy, what is this again?
What?
This?
Oh, looks like that's his leash that we have.
A leash?
You can glue. You don't need to cut the accessories out. It's up to you. See. All right, Sophia. He looks good.
Yeah, this is mine.
Okay. You guys want to cut? You want to cut him out, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna cut Sophia's out.
I'm keeping the bone liquid because.
The leash might be really hard to cut, so if you can't cut it, maybe we won't. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't want to cut the leash because it might be too hard and it's
Too small.
Yeah. Too like thin. My puppy.
Okay.
This is my puppy. My cat. Because I'm done coloring. Well, I still need to color like right. My doggy. My doggy's done. See.
Okay, here's his leg, Sophia. Hold that.
I'm gonna like. Daddy, do you like my doggy?
He looks really pretty, Olivia.
Oh my god. Look, Sophia.
Show her leg, Sophia.
Oh, sweet. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, look.
He looks so pretty. Show him to the camera. You did a great job, Olivia. I'll start coloring him, and I'll help you if you need help, okay? Or cutting him, I mean. I keep saying coloring. So, start gluing them, so, Olivia.
Oh, Sophia, what did you do to the leg?
You helping your sister out?
Now just let them dry, okay?
Remember, when you're using scissors, sometimes you have to ask for your parents' help, right?
Yeah.
Because
Kids always ask for your parents' help.
why? Scissors are dangerous?
Yeah.
We have kid scissors, so it's not too bad, right?
But if you have kids scissors, then it's okay.
Well, depends on how old you are, right?
Yeah.
Some kids should still ask. Like Sophia can't use kid scissors, can she?
Mm-mm.
She'll
Too young.
She'll cut herself.
Doesn't matter if you're younger than 3, younger
Well,
than
who knows?
5.
Anybody can maybe need their parents' help.
What? Sophia, this is not how you were supposed to glue it. Look.
It's okay.
How is she going to do it?
Well, we'll help her, but you can get yours done now, Olivia. 'cause
Oh, there you go.
you know how to do yours, right?
I can just do that.
You know how to do yours?
Yeah.
Sophia's all done, and you're not even started yet.
Yeah, because she keeps asking for my help.
I cut your leash off for you if you want it.
Okay.
And here's your bone. It's a little messed up, but you have a leash instead, so it's okay.
Where am I going to put the leash?
You attach it to his collar. It's okay. It's okay, Sophia. Leave it there.
Okay.
How do you get it? Sophia made a mess.
What?
She dropped all the paper.
Yeah.
Oh, so glue it all on and hold them up when you're done. Make sure everybody your doggy. So here's Sophia's doggy. He came out really good. Look at him. He's got a bone in his mouth.
Ah!
And he looks pretty happy, doesn't he? Rough. So now we have from last time our other video. Come here, Sophia. Show everybody you have a cat. Sophia now has. Is this yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
This is Olivia's from last video.
No, that's mine.
This is Sophia's right here. Look, here's your orange cat, right?
Yeah.
See, it has a cat and a dog. Now you can go play with your cat and your dog. You can go play with them? She's young to go play. And Olivia's finishing up. Sophia's out there playing with her cat and dog.
Yeah.
On the carpet. Oh, he's looking good, Olivia. Let me fix him. Yep. Put him like that, so straight. You got his legs now?
Yeah.
So you can like hold, you can put him upside down if you want.
Oh, cramp out.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
There you go.
And you have a ball. You know, I think your bone got a little messed up.
It's fine.
Sometimes they're hard to cut. It's a
Yeah.
little messed up. But Olivia has the leash and the ball still. So you can put the ball in his hand if you want, right? Or in his mouth or in his hand, whatever you want. His mouth? His hand? It'll look funny in his mouth, right?
Yeah. I'll be. Oh, I can like act like he was
Yep.
kicking it.
One more leg here.
I can act like he was kicking it.
You can do that. He's a soccer player.
Yeah.
Got one little more glue.
Up here. What's Georgia? I know what Georgia's drinking from.
So you're all done? Oh, you just gotta put the ball in him?
Yeah. Gonna like that.
Just show everybody when you're done, okay?
I'm done.
Hold it up.
This is mine. He's kicking the ball like a soccer player. Oh. He's a soccer player, like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And Sophia is a football player. Wait, what's it called? Basketball.
Yeah.
Player. So Sophia's a basketball player dog, and I'm a football player.
Let's see. He looks really good.
Right?
Woof. Let's see your cat from last video. So now you got two guys to play with together.
Yeah.
Cat and a dog.
Yeah, let me put glue cap back on.
All right. So what do you say? What do you want to say then?
Bye everybody.
You're gonna go play with your cat and dog?
Yeah.
Okay.